Friends, welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in the Sankalpa series for BFM. In this series, we are covering important theory, numericals, and objective questions. Okay. Presently, we are in chapter number 7, Risk in Foreign Trade ECGC. Today, we'll be solving a numerical related to foreign trade. In the earlier part of this week, we have covered the theory and the objective questions. So, today, we'll be covering the important numerical over here. Here, this numerical will clear many concepts in your mind. So watch it till you end. This numerical is not a simple numerical. It's a case study. This case study comes for 5 marks. Remember, it's for 5 marks. It's from a book only. Okay. So remember. So let's start. See this. Let me first draw the line over here because yeah, here is my video, right? Yeah. So on 1st June, a customer requests to book a forward contract for retirement of the import bill of USD 1 lakh due for payment on 15th September. Okay. Given the spot USD INR is 75.2729. Forward premium is spot for June is 1012, July 21-23, August 32-34, spot September 43-45, and August 15th to September 15, August to 15th September. It is 6-7. Charge a margin of 0.2% on the spot rate. A very important part. Firstly, tell me. Here, I'll first go with the basics. Then I'll go for solving this numerical. Okay. Firstly, tell me, is this transaction a buy transaction or sell transaction? That is very important. Buy or sell? Tell me that first. Everyone write in the comment section. Is it a buy or is it a sell? What has happened in this transaction? On 1st June, a customer has come to you, right, to book a forward contract for what? 15th September date. So on 1st June, I'm booking a forward contract. Remember this, okay? So 1st June over here, June 1, right? And I'm booking a forward contract for September 15th, isn't it? September 15th, understand this. So whenever I'm looking at the future date, I'm always dealing with what? Bill rate or TT rate? So I'm dealing with a bill rate over here. Okay, I'll be using bill rate. Now, basic question, where is the answer? I was waiting for your answer. Whether this is buy or sell? It is? Yes, sell. Because import means sell. Always remember. If you are dealing with import transaction, always remember you are dealing with the sell transaction. So this is sell. Okay. Now second point is here we have to focus on 3 points while solving any forex. First is buy or sell. Second is forward points. What are the forward points we have to use? Forward points. Okay. And third is TT margin. TT margin. These 3 things, if you keep it in mind, your problem will never go wrong. Okay. So these are the 3 steps which you have to follow always. Look at this. Whenever you are booking any forward contract, you have to always apply the bill rate. Bill. Never apply the TT rate. Okay. Now, how is the bill rate received? How do I get the bill rate? Bill rate equals to, remember, bill rate equals to TT rate. Okay. Or TT rate means spot rate we call it. TT, other name for TT is spot. Okay. Spot rate plus premium, or if it is discount then it is minus discount. Okay, plus premium or minus discount, anywhere, anything. Okay, so coming back, so here we have to do buy or sell, that is sell we are doing, right? Second is forward points. Now we have to decide. So let's decide that. Before going ahead, everyone subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting the latest updates on JIB and CAIIB from IIBF. Whatever IIBF gives, immediately we display it over here. Plus, we give you the explanation for this because IIBF notifications are not that simple to understand. Okay, so that's why both the things are done. So number one, you get the updates. Here, number one, you get the updates. And second thing, what do you get? One is updates. Second is free YT series. What are you viewing right now? Right? You are viewing this numerical Sankalpa series. So this is free YT series. Similarly, on all the subjects, you get the free YT series. So that's why subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, just click on the like button, share it with your friends. Okay. So let's start, move ahead. So what were we doing? We were over here, right? Now we have to find out the forward points. Okay. For that, what do we do? Take this line. I'll draw it over here. Okay. Firstly, let me draw this line. Otherwise, what happens? It comes behind me, and you are not able to see anything. Okay. It's still behind. Okay. Let me draw it over here. Okay. Yeah. So we'll write from this part only now. So let's solve this now. What is this? Forward points I want. See there. Understand the first remember the dates. June to September you have to get it. Okay. So June to September. Mark it over here. June to September. Now in September there is a problem over here. June, I'll just write it over here. June 1 and September 15th. Before that, let's do it. September 15th. 15th, right? Now what is given? June 1. Now what comes in between? Between June 1 and September 15th here. How you have to get the rates over here for September 15th? Firstly, get the rates for June 1. What are the rates for June 1? This one. 75.2729. So which rate will you take? 75.27 or 29? Which one will you take? 75.27 or 29? 27 is always here. Always remember. Left side is always buy. Right side is always sell. So I'll take this sell because I'm doing the sell transaction. So 29. So this is my rate. But is this my final rate? No. Why? Here. Here what I have to do, I have to add the margins. It's margin of 0.2%. I'll have to add that. But right now it's not required because in the end when we do the calculations, we'll be requiring it. So now forget this margin for now. Now let's look at the further points. What is given? 75.29. You have got this as spot rate. Now you want the rate for September 15th. So if I want the rate for September 15th, what should I do? I should always get the rate for first. September 1st means I'll mark it over here. I have to get the rate for September 1. What is the rate for September 1? What is it given? Everyone type fast in the comment section. Which rate should I take for September 1? Look at this. Spot June is given. Spot July is given. Spot August is given. Spot September is given. So which rate should I take for September 1? Which rate should I take for September 1? Tell me fast. Yeah. Which rate should I take for September 1? Should I take the August rate or should I take the September rate? Always remember one thing. The rates which are always given, suppose if it's mentioned September rate or August rates, here I'll mention it over here. August rate. August rate is always for August end. August end. And August end equals to September 1. September beginning. Always remember, August end rate is equal to September end rate. And whatever rate is mentioned there under August category, that will be always for the end. Okay. So now I want the September 1 rate. So what do I want actually? I want August end rate. What is the August end rate? August end. Okay. What is the August end rate? Look at this. August end. 30 to 34. Look at this. These points over here. 30 to 34. So which one should I take? 32 or 34? 32 or 34? Yes, everyone? In the comment section, let me see. Should I take 32 or should I take 34? Correct, I'll take 34. So I'll be using this 34 over here, 34. Now what will I do? You know this, so I'll remove this line, okay? Because it is creating a trouble for you guys. Hold on. Okay, now you are now okay. Yeah. Now look at this. Which rate should I take now? Now let's get the rate for September end. See, this currency is in premium or discount? Tell me. 32, 34. 32, 34. It means what? When the right side is bigger, the currency is always in premium. Okay? See here, when the right side is big, big. Okay? Currency is in premium, premium. Okay? So now we are having the right side as big over here. Look at this, 32 and 34. So right side is bigger, so currency is in premium. Whenever the currency is in premium, what should I do with the rates? I'll add this. Always remember, premium equals to premium. I'll mark it over here. Add. Okay. So your right side is big. It means premium. It means I have to add. So add means what? I'll add these two rates now. 75.29 plus 0.34. Okay. So now add this. 9 plus 4 is 13. 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 5 and 7. So 75.63. So is this my final rate? No, but I have to get the TT margin. But is that required over here? No. This is not my final rate and TT margin has nothing to do with this up till now. Because I want the rate for September 15th. What is given about September 15th? Look at this. August to 15th September, it's given as 6 and 7. So which one should I take now? Again 7 I'll take. Because right side, sell, right? So I'll take this 7 over here. Now let's look at this 7. So 7 means what? 63.7. Okay, means 75.63. So it is 0.07. Always remember. Whenever it's given 7 means 0.07. So add this now. Again it's in premium. So I'll add this. So this plus 0.07. So what is my rate now? Equals to 75.63 plus 0.7. Plus 0.7. So it is 75.70. Okay. So my final rate is up till now what? September 15th, 75.70. Okay. Now many of you might be thinking that I should use buy low, sell high. See here. Many of you are thinking over here. I should use buy low, sell high. Okay. But I will not be using this. Okay. Why won't I use it? I'll give you the reason. Remember, buy low, sell high is always used when the transaction is in between, like this only. Let's consider this case only. September 15th the transaction is, and I have the rates for September 1 and September last 30th. So here I am having both the rates. September 1 also I am having it because it is 34 points, right? And September end also I am having it. See, this September end is given as about 45. Look at this, 43, 45. So I'm having this 45. Are you seeing this over here? 45. So I'm having this rate for September end also 45. So you'll say, why not to use it then? If I'm having these rates, why not to use it? See here, I can't use it over here. Why? Because they have given me the rates of September 15th. If they wouldn't have given this 7 paise, then I would have used this 34 and 45, and then what would have I done? I'd have used, I'm selling, so I would have used sell high. So I would have done 75.29 plus 0.45, and then I would have added that rate. But here, as they have not mentioned anything over here, so what will I do? I'll use, see here, they have mentioned this specific rate on September 15, 6 and 7 paise. So I can't use this buy low, sell high over here, never. Whenever remember you are getting some fixed rate on some fixed date. Whenever you get some fixed rate on some fixed date, you should never use the buy low, sell high concept. Never. Clear? Again I am repeating. Should I write it? Yeah. Hold on. Whenever you get fixed rate on fixed date, equals to no buy low, sell high. I'll just write it buy low, sell high. No buy low, sell high. If you are getting a fixed rate on a fixed date, here, is it the case over here? Fixed rate on a fixed date, September 15th. They have given me the rate of 6 and 7. So if they've given me the rate of 6 and 7, how can I use this vague answer? This is what? This is an approximation. So how can I use the approximation if I'm having the exact answer over here? So that's why fixed rate on fixed rate, if you are having, do not use buy low, sell high. Got it? So what is my final rate now? 75.70. So is this my answer? 75.70? No, this is not my answer. Now what should I do? Okay, before going ahead here, what were the 3 steps I told you? Okay, yeah, everyone download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you'll be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, whatever we require for clearing CAIIB. We get it over here. What do you require? You require classes, you require books, ebooks, you require tests. So all the 3 things are there. Immediately download it, start studying. Okay. Adda 24/7 app for all your requirements. Okay. So now let's move ahead. So what did we require? 75.70. Okay. This is the one rate which I have got. Let me mark it over here. So 75.70. This is the rate which I have got, exact rate. But should I use this? What is the first thing I told you in the for recapping? First, what did I tell you? First, we have to decide on buy or sell. Buy or sell. So have we got buy or sell over here? Yes, we have got. Then we have to decide on forward points. Forward points. Have we got the forward points over here? Yes. Check this. See this. What is this? August end which you took. This is known as a forward point. This is a forward point. Forward point means whichever points are given for future. These are known as forward points. Similarly, these also forward points. Okay. So these are all called as forward points. So we have done forward points also. Okay. So now 75.70. Now last part is remaining is TT margin. Now I'll use TT margin. TT margin. Now what is the rule for TT margin? Okay. Now let me ask you. What is the TT margin first given over here? In the question it's given as use the margin of 0.2%. This is the margin required. 0.2%. Okay. So now I'll be using the margin of 0.2%. So multiply this rate. 0.2% of what? 0.2% of this rate. 0.2%. So multiply and get this answer. What are you getting? Let me see. 75.70 into 0.2%. What are you getting, everyone? Right? Let me also try. 75.7 into 0.2% means 0.2 upon 100. Okay. So 0.1514. You're getting it as 0.1514. Right? Now this is my TT margin. This is known as my TT margin. Okay. Now this has to be done what? Added or subtracted? Now that's a separate question again. Everyone tell me, should I add this TT margin to the rate or should I subtract it from the rate? What do you say? Should I add this or subtract it? Dilemma, isn't it? Always remember for TT margin, I'll mark it over here. We should, okay? TT margin. Whenever it's a buy transaction, buy, you will always subtract it. Whenever it's a sale transaction, sale, you will always add it. Keep it very simple. Okay? Buying, you will subtract it. Selling it, you will add it. Now, what am I doing now? What is my transaction? Present transaction is what? Buy or sell? Type in the comment section, everyone. Is it buy or sell? Present transaction. What am I doing now? Buy or sell? Everyone? Which is the present transaction? Correct. It is a sell transaction. It's an import bill, isn't it? We just now saw this import. That's why I told you right side we have to take. Okay, this right side is always sell. So we took the sell rate, right? So now this is sell. So if it is sell, it means what? I'll add this. So what will be my rate now? 75.70 plus 0.1514. Now add this. You'll get this as what? 75 point what? 8 7514. 75.8514, and this is your final rate. Final rate. This is the final final rate which you get. This will be given in your exam, and this is what is asked in the question. Look at this. Calculate given rates, blah blah blah. Okay. Charge margin on this. Then what is it asked? Present for forward margin. This is only this much is given. Nothing is asked. You have to calculate the rate. Okay, forward rate. Got it, everyone? Now the forward rate for this customer is this amount, 75.8514. Now let me ask you a question. This USD is 1 lakh, right? This is 1 lakh. So what will you do with this amount now? Suppose if I multiply this, okay? Your answer is over. Huh? Your answer is this much only. Now if I ask you this USD 1 lakh, dollar 1 lakh, the 1 lakh or 10 lakh, what was it? 1 lakh, yeah. So 1 lakh into, let's do this 75.8514, okay. So this was your rate and you multiply this. So when you multiply this, what do you get? You get it as a rupees over here, okay. So 75.8514, and what, 4 zeros gone and 1 zero, okay. So this will 75 lakhs 85,000 will be your answer in rupees. Okay, this will be in rupees. Now tell me, what do I do with these rupees? Should I debit that customer or should I credit that customer? Right? I'm booking a forward contract. So should I debit the customer or should I credit the customer? Remember, I'm selling the dollar, selling. Okay. So dollar is going out. So rupees will come in. Okay. Rupee will be debited to that customer. So this much amount will be debited. That's a basic thing, debited. Okay. So this is debited to the customer. This is a basic. We do all the calculations. We don't understand the basics. Okay. So import amount, in import, rupees are always debited to the customer. In export, rupees are always credited to the customer. Clear, everyone? Concept is clear. So let's recap this. Okay, let's recap. First, any transaction whenever you face across, what do you do first? You first decide whether it is buy or sell. Okay. Now, if it is an import transaction, you'll always sell it. If it's an export transaction, you'll always buy it. Step number 1 clear. Then you decide on the forward points. Always forward point is what? Spot plus that forward points given. So whatever that spot is plus forward points means if it is premium then plus, if it is discount then minus. Okay. And last one is TT margin. TT margin means what? It's always whenever you are selling, you will always add the TT margin. Whenever you are buying, you will always subtract the TT margin. These are the 3 summary points of this numerical. Got it, everyone? Liked it? Type yes in the comment section if you have understood this. Very important one. Okay. If you have understood, type yes in the comment section. Yeah. Now I would suggest join the September 4th Sankalpa batch coming up. ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL, all the 4 subjects are covered. Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. Remember, such difficult numericals are there. 5 marks case studies are there. We take that in the class. You can join the CAIIB Mahapack 2.0 also. In this, you get live classes, video courses, ebooks, tests, marathons, plus practice papers, doubt sessions, everything you get it. How to join this? Here, it's very simple. Presently, the discounts are going on. You can join it. I would always suggest you to join it right now because it is 80% off is going on right now. Okay, 80% off. Let me show you. Let's go to Adda 24/7. I would always suggest you, if you are having the app, go through the app. In the app, what happens? You get coin systems. In coin system, what happens? Once you have the coin systems, it means you can earn extra benefit up to 1%. Okay, so you learn up to 1% over there. Go to Adda 24/7. Click on JIB and CAIIB. Click on CAIIB November. Done. Now click on this Sankalpa batch. Look at this. Okay. online live classes, test series, ebooks. Click on all these 300 hours online live classes. Click on this. See this. All the classes you are seeing. Plus test series. Look at this. Module wise, topic wise. If you click on this module, again you get topic wise test series. Various topics are there. See all these topics. So you get module wise, topic wise case studies. Similarly, ebooks. Look at the ebooks. Ebooks are available for all the compulsory subjects. That's why join fast. Okay. Click on buy now. Rakhi 80 code is going on. Or you can use the other 80% code. It's already applied nowadays. Here, it's already applied. So you need not use anything. Just you go there, you'll get that 80% off. Okay. For wherever it is going on. When the scheme is on, see here, 80% off is not always there. When the scheme is on, at that time only. So right now you're having that benefit, reap that benefit. 23,999 reduces to 4,799. Use discount. Join it ASAP. In fact, I would suggest you should join the Mahapack. In Mahapack, you get multiple batches per subject. Okay. Plus, you get ebooks. Plus, you get tests. Okay. Then click on again CAIIB November. See CAIIB Mahapack. Click on this CAIIB Mahapack. CAIIB Mahapack. Go through this again. Online live classes, 153 test series, 216 ebooks, videos, everything. Recorded sessions are available. Click on buy now. Okay. Look at this. 80% off is going on. So 36,837 reduces to 7,367 and validity double 12 months. So that's why join ASAP. Okay. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, keep studying and do join the classes. Exams are in November. Okay. Bye.